Hello, good morning, good afternoon. As you can see, I've got a little bit of a guest here. My wife's not feeling so well, and I need to mind him because I don't trust him at all. He's a bit dangerous. But I'm going to explain direct proportion. It's not complicated. I've got an example, and you'll get it. It's not difficult. Okay, so you may get direct proportion in table format or in the graph, and I'll show you what the graph looks like after we go through the table bit. So here I've got gallons, so this is gallons of liquid. Right, so we've got number of gallons, so 1 gallon, 2 gallons, 3 gallons, 5 gallons of, it could be petrol, it could be coffee, it could be any liquid. And here is the conversion, conversion into liters. Say hello. Say hello. Right, so 1 gallon is 4.5 liters. 2 gallons is 9 liters, 3 gallons is 13.5 liters, and so on and so forth. Smile. So, I can tell straight away that these two things, gallons and liters, are in direct proportion. How do I know that? 2 reasons. Necesito escribir ahora. Number 1, no, pero no te enfades. To go from there to there, there to there, there to there, there to there, and there to there, you can all see that the proportion is the same. Okay, he's angry now. To go from here to there, all I have to do is multiply by 4.5. And where does the 4.5 come from? Well, if I do 4.5 divided by 1, I get 4.5. If I do 9 divided by 2, I get 4.5. He's excited. And if I do 22.5 divided by 5, I also get 4.5. So that 4.5 constant is that's the proportion, and that remains constant throughout. Okay, but also the other way I can tell is that if I go from there to there, multiplying by 3, to go from here to here, I'm also multiplying times 3. So that works. Or, if I go from here to there, multiplying times 2, that proportion is the same as going from here to there, which is also times 2. So, that is what a direct proportion table looks like. See, that is direct proportion. Okay. So that's that, and you'll be able to recognize it. And then what does that look like? If I put it on a graph, no, don't touch the screen, that's dangerous. That's gallons, and that is liters. So typically the first row is the one that goes on the x-axis. Okay, the graph is always going to look like a straight line going through the origin, like that, okay? And here I will have 1, and that'll be 4.5, and here I will have 2, and that'll be 9, etc., etc. So the graph of a direct proportion relationship will always look like a straight line going through the origin, like that, okay? That is, okay, alright, sorry. That is direct proportion, basically. I think I'm done. I've managed 4 minutes with my child here before he actually paints the screen of the iPad with the pen. So apologies for that, but hopefully it makes sense. And I'll see you in lesson. Bye.